Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how to increase the resolution of your photo as well as the details and how to remove noise. Video going to be really interesting, so make sure you watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to get videos just like this one. First of all, this is the interface of the app. Click on a repair tool. You have to choose the photo. You can also try the video, but this video specifically on the photo. That's why I'm going to choose photo, and right now we have three models available: HD, Ultra HD, as well as the portrait enhancement. And the next thing is AI color, and then we have a resolution as well as the noise reduction, and another tool is available. You can see here. I'm going to select Ultra HD plus no AI color this time because my photo colors already enough good looking and attractive. Now I'm going to choose only 2K plus Ultra HD. I already uploaded a lot of content on Wink in detail, so make sure check it out. A bunch of videos available on my channel regarding video and photo enhancement, how to increase video details as well. You're really surprised by my content, so make sure check it out. I will provide the link as well as the card on the top right side, so make sure check it out. Consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. You can see here the compare before and after. We have much better details in comparison to before in the after version. Looks like much better and really sharp enough. Details being back just like the natural. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. You can see here a lot of grain and noise removed by the AI algorithm by the Wink app, which is mind-blowing. The AI is really pushing the boundaries. Already reviewed a lot of photo enhancer apps just like Remini, Phototune, Mint AI, Photo Enhancer, and a lot of apps. But this app will provide you really natural and restore the original image, not change with similar faces just like the other photo enhancers. And this will also work on non-living things, any car, object, etc. So here is a comparison between the Remini, one of the most prominent and one of the best photo enhancer, Wink, and the original one. In the zoom photos, the original one and Wink looks really close to each other, even no difference at all. But if you compare side by side Remini and the original, there is a little bit difference between both of the photos. Even I increase the resolution of 144p photo to 2K, which is tremendously really good looking. Now you can see here the iPhone details looking much better on the Wink app. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.